and a happy Thanksgiving to you guys. I wanted to do a quick video just to show you that I am thinking of you and I am thankful for you, and I'm going to have turkey franks. We're going to electrocute them. Let's get started. I want this to be a warning and a disclaimer to any that are watching that are thinking about making this rig. Just don't. It can really mess you up, especially if you don't know what you're doing. One wrong move and you'll be the one cooking, not the hot dog. So just watch, don't do. Okay? Thank you. I'm stealing these clips off of ready-made wire. I'm going to put them on here, on this end. So a hot dog's about that big, right? That'll work. Don't forget the boot. If you forget the boot, you can't get it on later. Gotta have the boot. I'm gonna crank my heat because I need more. Once again, I'm soldering for the show, and I'm making hot dogs, and I'm still soldering. Looks good. Well, at least our clamps will be safe. We don't have to worry about those if we do a good job. Do it again. There we go. Hey, it's almost time to cook our turkey dogs for Thanksgiving. These are turkey franks. Perfect for Thanksgiving, I think. I have a story about doing this. Resistance is about 1.7 mega ohm, 1.9. Now, I originally did this idea when I was about 10 to 12 years old. I actually seen this in a book that I had. I don't remember what the book was, but it was probably on experiments. And I knew I shouldn't have made it. There was probably a warning on the page, and I was young. But I knew enough that it was dangerous and I shouldn't do it, which made me want to do it. So I did it when my parents weren't around. And it worked. I used nails and a hot dog and something similar to what you see here. Yeah, I know. They wouldn't have allowed it, but I made it happen. Well, this is the setup. Shall we plug it in? You think I should prop it up like this, or just leave it on the plate? Let's just leave it on the plate. Okay, I'm going to plug it in. Anything happening? Let me unplug it and feel it. This did come right out of the refrigerator, so it is cold. Let's go some more. Now, here's a twist to the thing. Hold on a sec, let me unplug it again. I'm told through a book, and I'll show you the book in a minute, that's the book that reminded me about this experiment. I'm not plugged in, okay? Is you could stick some LEDs into this hot dog and they would light. That's a new one. So let's just, I don't know, should I stick it like that? How about like that? And even though this is AC voltage, they should light. Here's a yellow. Alright, that'll be festive. Oh, let's see if it works. Here we go. Oh, are the LEDs lit? I don't know. I'm going to turn the lights off. Okay, let's kill the lights and see if those LEDs... Oh, I'm smoking. See the smoke? Turn the light back on. We're unplugged. What's the problem? Now these tips are getting burnt. But I don't see the LEDs lit like I thought they would. Let's plug it back in and kill the lights again. Yeah, I can see them glowing a little bit, can you? Can you see them glowing? This side keeps smoking. What's happening? Ooh, that's getting warm. Maybe it doesn't work as well on these type of hot dogs. I don't know. I'll make it so the clamps touching the hot dog too. Alright, here we go. Let's turn the lights off. Oh, look at the LED. When you first start up, the LEDs are quite strong. Uh-oh. Yeah, that smells kind of nasty. So it doesn't work like I expected it to. I did this with pork and it worked much better, maybe because it's a lot more fatty. But yeah, the LEDs, what's the temperature of that? It's getting stinky. I would think so, about 160 in the warmest area. So it works, but it doesn't work like pork, does it? I wouldn't eat this because it's been in silver solders on here, and who knows what these are made of. These are quite hot. But yeah, I just wanted to do something silly for Thanksgiving. Here's what reminded me about making one of these when I was just a boy. This is an article in a popular science geek toys book. And I tried to put the LEDs on just like they showed. Just remember to remove the LEDs before you eat it. Actually, I probably won't eat this at all. It kind of stinks. Well, happy Thanksgiving to you and your family. Leave a comment down below and let me know what you're thankful for right now. I'm sure we all have things we're thankful for. No, I won't eat that hot dog. Looks good though. But take the LEDs out because they get stuck in your teeth.